Hello, folks. Good afternoon. We are here live today. Here is a great day, great, beautiful day after Labor Day. And we are here to talk about the 5 AI hacks every CPA should know about in 2025. I'm your host here. I'm Will Castrolo, your strategic AI consultant, here to talk about AI. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And I'm just looking forward to having a great crowd today. I see a lot of people here enjoying and coming on to this session here. So listen, if you have questions, please hold those questions to the end. We got a great segment here again talking about the hacks that every CPA office should look for. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started here. But listen, AI, folks, we're talking about AI. When we're talking about AI is transforming how businesses run today, and it's happening very, very fast. CPAs who remain stuck in a manual process and manual processes are already falling behind. So again, if you're a CPA, enrolled agent, you're a bookkeeper, okay? If you have an office and you are doing these things right now and you're not looking into how AI can be implemented in your business, you are already falling behind the 8 ball, okay? Now, by adopting AI, you don't just keep pace with the competitors, you position yourself to accelerate growth, which is what everybody wants to do. Everyone wants to grow. Everyone wants to find ways how they can fine tune their processes, be more productive, and make more money. Well, that's why we host these weekly AI sessions designed specifically for CPAs and accounting professionals like you. In each session, we break down why AI is essential today and walk you through how to get started right away. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and talk about some crossroads, right? Some crossroads that some people look at are clients now demand faster answers and proactive advice. Routine compliance tasks are incredibly automated. If you don't have automated processes going on right now, then you need to be paying attention to this session here very, very closely. Okay, CPAs are shifting from record-breaking keepers, okay, to trusted advisors. So now you no longer are just the trusted. You're no longer as the expert. You're the trusted advisor as one of the part of the crossroads are you using AI? Well, I say this. Sometimes people say, well, look, I don't have the budget for this, and they got to find out why or what. What's eating into the budget of CPAs? Well, number one, I can tell you, extensive tech stacks without overlapping tools. Number two, hours and hours and hours of lost manual data entry and reconciliations when you can get that stuff automated. The fee pressure from clients demanding more for less. They want more services for less money. That's what everybody wants to do. And the last thing is rising overhead costs cutting into your margins. As we see spikes of costs going up across the globe, everywhere, every industry, it doesn't matter what industry, costs are increasing. Now, with the cost increasing, we want to see value. So when your costs increase because you're using softwares like Drake Software or QuickBooks or Quicken or Sage, when you're using these types of softwares, their prices are increasing astronomically. We can't do nothing about it because we need that. We need those resources to be able to do what we need to do. Well, this is why AI and CPAs must work together. One, we're going to eliminate the wasted hours. We're going to cut down on overlapping costs. Again, we're going to free up time for higher value work. And then we're going to help defend the fees and the prolonged value. We're going to show an increased value here of why the AI hacks for CPAs. So here's some AI hacks for CPAs. Number one, smart tax prep. Tax season feels like a race against time, with mountains of data to shift through the constant risk of missing key deductions. You're constantly making sure that you get all the deductions for that client. That's the reason why. So AI not only challenges that, right? But instead, the manual combining through receipts. When you're doing receipts, manual receipts, bank statements, prior year's returns, AI systems can automatically analyze. You put all those things together, and AI can analyze those transaction data, categorize expenses for you, and flag potential deductions in real time. Number two, AI-powered forecasting. AI-powered forecasting empowers CPAs to anticipate challenges, guide smarter investments, and unlock new growth opportunities. Traditional reporting is backwards. It's backward facing. It tells you what already happened. That's the backward facing. It's telling you what already happened. AI is going to turn that mirror into a window, giving CPAs real-time predictive insights that help clients see what's coming up next. Number three, automated client insights. Every CPA knows the challenge. Clients hand over spreadsheets, books, papers, you name it. Clients, CPAs receive all this information, right? And before the real work starts or begins, there are hours of cleaning and organizing all of this, trying to make sense of it all. AI handles the hard work by pulling data together, finding patterns, and turning raw information into clear insights. Number four, voice and chat AI assistants. You may feel like, oh no, I need to have a human, and talking to the AI, talking to a machine doesn't work. It's not necessarily that way. Instead of spending hours of drafting reports and through answering the same client questions, pulling together working papers, CPAs can now lean on voice, chat, and AI assistants. These tools aren't just about automating admin. They provide on-demand support that works like a digital co-pilot. Number five, AI-enhanced fraud radar. Fraud detection tools in 2025 are hyper advanced. They learn spending behaviors across industries and spot anomalies within seconds. Duplicate renders, payments, basically ghosted employees, you name it. This allows CPAs to offer proactive fraud prevention services, boosting client trust and revenue. Well, that's it for our session for the day. Here, you can click and scan on this QR code. I'm putting up on the screen. Scan this QR code to schedule a consultation with me, okay, where we can help you implement and put some policies in place to streamline your processes here in your business, okay? So if you want to make sure you're going to prevent yourself from seeing all these hacks, prevent yourself from being behind the eight ball, prevent yourself from being out managed because you're not utilizing AI in your business, click on this QR code. We're going to be able to help you put a strategic growth AI plan together. We're going to do an assessment that's going to put a plan together and put these tools, these policies in place for you for your growth. Well, listen, that's it for today, for this great quick session. I'm Will Castello here, and I'll see you next time, next week, same time, and same AI channel. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.